Engage Design Service Review Watch before using. Most people underestimate the power of good design, but here's the surprising truth. Visual content can dramatically improve engagement, understanding, and trust, and Engage was built to make that easy. Engage is an online design platform focused on infographics, reports, charts, and presentations. Here's what most people get wrong. They think Engage is only for designers. It is actually built for beginners and professionals alike. Users can choose from hundreds of templates, customize colors, and add data charts. The surprising truth is that data becomes more persuasive when shown visually. Engage is best for educators, marketers, business owners, and students. If you want clean visuals without complexity, Engage is a solid design tool. Subscribe to the channel for more honest design tool reviews. Title start Travel Zoo Travel honest review watch before using title and script start Travel Zoo Travel honest review watch before using. Most people assume travel deals are all the same, but here's the surprising truth. Some platforms negotiate special rates that you simply will not find anywhere else. Travelzoo is one of those platforms, and that is why it has built a loyal following of travelers who love big savings. Travelzoo is a travel deals website that focuses on curated offers for flights, hotels, vacation packages, cruises, and experiences. Instead of overwhelming you with thousands of random listings, Travelzoo highlights a smaller selection of handpicked deals that meet their quality and price standards. Here's what most people get wrong. They think Travelzoo is just another booking site. In reality, it operates more like a deal curator. Their team reviews and negotiates offers directly with travel providers, aiming for discounts that often range from 20 to 50% off regular prices. Using Travelzoo is simple. You browse current deals by destination or travel type, click the offer you like, and complete your booking through the partner site. Many deals include flexible booking options, bonus perks, or limited time promotions. The surprising truth is that Travelzoo is especially useful for spontaneous travelers. Because deals change frequently, people who can travel on short notice often score the biggest savings. Travelzoo is best for travelers who want quality experiences at reduced prices and do not mind planning trips around available deals. If you love travel but hate paying full price, Travelzoo is definitely worth checking before booking your next trip. Subscribe to the channel for more travel deal reviews and money-saving tips.